The business model revolves around generating profits from existing stores, franchising, starting ready-to-eat foods, and starting multiple brands from the same outlet. We are presently doing an average of 14 lakhs per outlet per month. The intent over the next 12 months is to do an average of 16 lakhs per outlet per month. We are presently valued at 30 crores. We are using the discounted cash flow method and we have valued the multiple at 19.32 times the EBITDA. I would invest in a business like this because this has high dependency on systems and very limited dependency on skilled labor. We are looking to raise approximately $1 million and we would deploy these funds across strengthening the foothold within Delhi NCR where we have our existing stores, as well as expanding in 2 to 3 more cities across India. Our competition in India are brands like Moti Mahal and Dana Choga Kitchen. How we are different from them is that we are a system and tech driven brand where technology takes care of most of the things with very limited dependency on the chefs. For our investors, we would have various options as exit plans, would be mergers, acquisitions, strategic investors, as well as IPO. There are various companies that have already raised capital to acquire or merge with existing brands. Brands that have raised capital are companies like Wow Momo India, companies like Rebel Foods, who have actually raised capital to acquire brands. We would look at one of them in the future.